Hey everybody, welcome to my inaugural flight of my Autel Lite Plus. This is the first time I've had it in the air. This is the first time I'm flying it. I updated it this morning. I got it yesterday. It was delivered. And I am out at Arab City Park in Arab, Alabama. Yes, that's the proper pronunciation. I know. I didn't make it up. I just go with what the locals say, okay? So that's what they call it. So hopefully so far everything's working out good. I hope it is. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the introduction, at least my introduction to this park. So let's flip you around here a little bit, okay? We'll see you. I'm going to fly you right down here. A little bit more. I'm going to turn you around here and let you see the introduction as I've talked about it. I'm flying this on the smooth motion. See, I want to get that over there a little bit. All right, let's go up and I'll show you why this is the introduction. Yeah, you see those flags there already? And then as we go on up, there you see that flag, and you see that flag, and you see the wind and the top of the pole. All right, let's go ahead and just look down a little bit. There we go. Here, I'll take it up a little bit higher. We'll back it up a little bit. A little higher. That sun's up there, so it's a little bit blinding. But there you go. I think that's a good start. That's a good introduction. All right, so I'm going to stop this video a second and just take a picture of this, okay? So hang on with me. All right, so I just took a picture. So let's do this, okay? Let's flip this thing around. I'm going to pick this gimbal up at the same time. What I want to do here, and I'm going to take this up a little higher. There we go. Now, we'll drop the gimbal just a little bit because we don't need that much sky. Now, I'm just going to fly you around a little bit of this park where they're doing some work that you can see over here. And they got all these lights and everything. See a big parking lot over to the right. But you see all this dirt over here. They're making baseball fields is what this is. Yeah, I'll turn you this way first. Show you a little bit of that. So yeah, when they get done with this is all going to be baseball fields. Then I'll take you back this way. And you see we got this lake over here. I just want to make sure I'm up above all them standards there. Let's drop this a little bit. And here you can see the little lake. There's disc golf right down there. We've played this once. It's a pretty hard course, I got to tell you. See, we got them trees there. So now we'll just head back. You know, I want to see the color of this thing, see how it all looks, see its goodness, you know, things like that. All right. Get this back over here to me. You can start seeing the flags there. See if I look down. And you see me, I'm across the little road here. So let's bring this down some. Just lifted that gimbal a little bit more. Let's do it. There we go. All right, here she comes. Now I'll tell you what I'm going to do here. In fact, you know, I should have done this from back there. Yeah, I'm just going to take this out a little bit. All right, going to flip her around, and we'll just fly her out here. Here, I'll tell you what I'll do. In fact, I will put this in ludicrous. Get it out here fast. There we go. Okay. Now, I'll put it back smooth. Anyway, I'm just going to hit my home button. And it says returning. It's going up as it's supposed to. I took it to 150 feet so it'll miss any kind of trees or anything around here. And it took off from right out here in the street. So, here it comes back. All right, good. So what I'm going to see how it does with a home point. I'm dropping the gimbal here. And there we go. Yeah. You can see me standing here and my bag is right over there. And this should be out somewhere not too far from the bag. Let's see what it does. I should have brought out my my little pad. All right, let me see what this looks like from behind it. It's coming down. And I'll see if at the last second if it raises its gimbal. You know, I would say this is pretty accurate. Let's see, does gimbal go up? Gimbal went up. Cool. That wasn't me doing that. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to fly down through here and increase our height. Drop our gimbal a little bit. And this is the pool building, and right on the other side of it is the pool. So I'll show you that part of it anyway. Yeah, you can start to see it. There we go. There you see the pool. All right. So you see some more of that construction stuff out there. You can see that sign that says Arab. All right. Now I think what I'm going to do is just spin you around here. Yeah, that's kind of fast, ain't it? I'll make you sick. Okay. So we'll just fly right back a little bit. And we'll get over top of the building. And now let me spin you this away. And then over here, these, I believe, are one day going to be some pickleball courts. Right there. And right there. Maybe some tennis courts as well. So you can see those. So I believe that's coming up. And in fact, right over there in front of those, you can see, lift this up a little bit, that's going to be a couple of more, I believe. Just so you know. All right, now let me take this thing well up. Let's lift the gimbal. You see baseball field there. Just going to fly you above some of these trees. And there's more of the construction again. All right, so I'm just going to wind up bringing you back home. These trees are looking dangerous. All right, let's just go ahead and bring it home. I want to test its ability to land again. I took it off on a marked place here. And if it lands back to the way it should, it'll be phenomenal. Here, let me bring this gimbal down, okay? And I'm going to show you right on the crosshairs, straight down almost in the middle of the screen, is where I took off from. Look here before this thing comes. Right here, right where I'm standing. That's where it took off from. I'm going to see if it can see that. It's off from it a little bit right now, but it's got time to adjust. And it is adjusting. Wow. Okay. Oh my goodness. I am not kidding you. That is perfect. One leg was on the white marker going horizontally. And wow, it landed. I mean, it's identical as to when it took off. Okay. You can color me impressed, man. All right, now, just took off. This is our final stop that I want to show you in this place. I'll take this up just a little bit. And back here, I think I'm going to fly it out here to the side just a hair. Then we'll angle it just a bit. I want to show you, this is the historic city village that they've got here. There's not a ton of stuff here, but there's quite a few things that I think is pretty cool. So I'll tell you what, let's get this turned completely to the side. I want you to kind of see these as you fly by, if you will. There you see that little house. That's pretty cool, right? And then right here is the general store coming up for you. And the SO sign that you've seen when I started out, so you can see that. And then over here, this is the museum right here. So take you down past that a little bit. All right, now let me bring it back here. Here, while I'm doing that, let me turn it. And this way, you see the SO sign right there. All right. But anyway, I want you to see this building right here. It's just like an old work shed, if you will. Here, I'll fly you a little bit closer to it. Drop the gimbal a little bit. And you can see. Pretty cool, right? Okay, now let me just spin you around here. You see there's another little blacksmith shop right there. And then the white one. And then we'll come right on around. Okay, and you see this white one down here. So here first I want to fly you down here. Get you back over this way. And there, now you can see this white building. I'll turn you. What this is a school. And I'll show you, this is the actual back of it. So, I wanted you to see that. And then, as we come back this way, turn you around, and you see this nice picket fence house here. Now, how nice is this house? My answer is very. Yours may differ. I don't know. All right, then there's just one more building for you to see from this side. And that building is this barn right here. What do you think of that barn? Here, we'll lift that up a little bit. So there you go. I got a little bit close to the limbs there, but hopefully you enjoyed that, okay? So what I will do is we'll pause this for now, and then I'll bring you around and show you the front of these other buildings. All right, so now you can see we're in the front of the school. There's a lot of trees here, so I need to be careful where I go. But there you can see that, and I'll just spin this a little bit. Just trying to stay away from some limbs. I'm right between several trees. But there you can see, now this is a class building. They got 2 doors, one of course for one class, one for the other. Now, let's fly right over here. Let's see, I'm down to, I think, 38% battery life. All right, now, so you see this building here, that this is a church building, if I remember right, is what this is. Now, I'm very low under a tree, so I need to bring you out and then lift you up. There we go. So you can see that. Here's the view of that. Okay. Let me snap a picture of this real quick. See right here, they got them a nice paved walking track. I'm just going to take you down this side just a little piece and show you. Let's raise that up a little bit. So you got to see that. Now, let's go ahead and just spin it around. Alright, and you can see me back there. Here, I'll lift this up a little bit. We'll fly her right back. I'm at 29% battery life. So, this is the only battery I've used. I've still got 3 fully charged batteries. As crazy as that is. Now we're going to go around here. Okay, it thinks something's in its way, so it paused on me. Get it pointed a little bit this way. Well, okay, it's here, I'm just going to land it. All right, hope you like that.